Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new session. Hope everyone is doing good and well. In this session, we will continue the new case study regarding case study 2, finance and accounting. In ERP system, it's one of the important module which plays which helps the organization to make the um, real-time decisions regarding the financial and accounting tasks. So it will help the business and provides real-time financial information for the business and basically the major the administrative people to take the critical decision that drives the profits and growth of the organization. It has many modules, sub-modules related to the perform the activities regarding the, related to the accountings and finance, right? Such as account payable, account receivable, management, cash management, and also helps in automation, right? So basically, the business people they need mostly all these tasks, all these operations to be done automation, right? So this is some basic introduction about the finance and accounting. ERP has this module which allows organization to uh, do all these operations related to accounting and financial and automate these operations to help the business to take the critical decisions which leads to profits and growth of the organization. All right, so let's continue the case study. We will see some of the very basic few screens, the transactions associated with the ERP finance module, okay, in SAP system. So let's access this one. So go to the blackboard here, your course contents. So under the case study, and you have the second case study to finance module, right? Click on this one. We'll have the finance case study module PDF file, all the steps associated with these case studies, and some basic introductions. Anyway, so just scroll down. I will just increase the font size, right? You see this, you can have this one. Okay. So what is the main objective of this one? Understanding and performing the financial accounting process or operations, you can say. So under your company, global bike incorporation company, right? So scroll down, you have these steps, these many steps here, steps 1 to the total 14 steps. Out of 14 we have to see the how many are like executable, and some of them are review, some of them are display, show. Those are not necessary, right? Example like here, review, you say review and display. Some of the display are, these are not necessary actually. The remaining are, you must have to do it. So one of the easiest one as per the practical part, practical is very easiest one. Okay, let's access the our GBI company. So go back here, course contents, click on the link, SAP link. It will open the link, right? So hope everyone remember the username password, GIC442 dash. This is my ID, SAP ID or SAP username, right, and password. Click on log on. I have successfully logged into the my SAP GBI company, my company. Let's start, begin the task here. Let me scroll this one here and the case study here. Let's click on the first step, right? Click on the first step. So the first step is create bank account in general ledger, right? No need to go into detail about what is general ledger. I think this is outside the syllabus here. So this is completely management, so just we need to work on the data to be proper data to be entered in the system. So creating a new bank account in the general ledger means creating some account here or there. So this is one to create a new account, follow the menu bar. Let me increase the size again. Yeah, that looks good, and I want to remove anything else. Okay, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, general accounts, individual processing centrally. So let's navigate this part. Okay, so it's over here, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, right? Is it general ledger, master records, master record, click on the master record, general ledger accounts, individual processing, and centrally. For this step, just double click on it, so you see the screen, right? So next step here, in the following screen, you will got this screen. Following screen, enter 10 and your 3-digit number. Make sure you should enter your digit number, not the mine. Okay, mine is 644. You have to choose your 6-digit number. If you do mistakes, it will not give you the correct data. You will execute the transaction, but it is not the right one. Okay, the data stores something differently than what you expect. So you have 10. My number is, you everyone knows what's your number here, right? You can see here, from here 644, right? So this is my number. You choose your number. Okay, once again check it, right? So this is my number 644, right? So what will be the number here? 106445, right? Replace this 3-digit with a sign number like this. This is the number here. Okay, and use 00 as a company code. Then copy data from the bank 100,000, right? In the company code, use 0 by choosing GL account. Anyway, I'll show you this part here. First thing is GL account. Just write on 106445, right? 106445. Okay, and US 00 is company code. US 00. All right. Then what is said here? Copy data from the bank. Okay, copy the data here. So we need to find where is the copy statement right here. Copy the data from this and enter this 10000 and the company code 0 by choosing GL account. Create with reference, entering the necessary data here. Create with reference, create with reference. Sometimes, see here, GL account, create with reference, create with reference. So you need to enter here 1 1 2 3 4 5, right? And US 00. Let me choose from the window. Okay, so we have 100,000, right? Let me check here. 100,000, 5 zeros, right? Create reference, entering the necessary, compare the screenshot. Like you see the screenshot, you have the same screen over here, right? Okay, then you say enter the bank, or just click OK. Then you say click confirm the entering data, just click OK. You entered it. Now you have bank here, you see. So you have this one here, bank, a short text bank. Just add the statements over here. Bank space 644, account 644, as it says, right? Okay, just replace the number, then click save. That's your task one. Click save. And this check the name, data saved successfully. Just giving some confirmation. It's okay, perfect. Save it. Right. There is nothing confirmation. No, nothing is given here. Just relax. Your task is done completely. The first step is completed. Nothing, because it is nothing is given here. Save it and just click save. Okay, you should get this screen. Okay, we got the screen, the same screen we got it. Then confirm it and return to the exit. Then just simply exit. Perfect. The step 1 is completed. Now let's go to the step 2. Again, create reconciliation account in the same lecture, same thing. You see, master record the same transactions, but you need to enter different numbers. This is a reconciliation account, different account. Okay, this is bank account and the new reconciliation account. So here 11644, same company code, and here 30,000, 300,000, sorry, 300,000, same step, right? So let's do the same thing. No need, just click double centrally. Here you need to write 11. Don't use the previous one. 1164445. Same thing. Make sure once again 11. You see here 11. Right. US 00 is already there. Perfect. And enter. Copy the data. Okay. 300,000 US 00. So here again, click menu, GL account, create with reference 3000, 300,000, 1 2 3 5. So this is, click over here, choose the company code. Let me hide this data. Okay, click OK. Now here is this. Some text is here. Add just 3-digit numbers. 644 644. You get the same screen as previous. Save it. Perfect. Just click OK. Done. Saved. And exit. This and this steps too. Very simple. Create expense account. Again, the third account, which is similar, same step, same thing. Okay, is 75 and 7. This I will just copy this number. Easy for me. All right, and I will do this one very quickly here. Centrally, 75644 75645, and that's it. This is account GL. Create with reference. I copy the data numbers, then okay, then 644 space 644, give some space over here, right? Then save it. Let me check. Nothing is there. Save it. So if it asks anything, confirm. Done. These 3 steps are done. Okay, now here, let me show. Create cost element of our expense account. This is something different. So accounting, cost element, accounting here. Now exit from here completely. All right, so let's go to this one. Controlling, accounting, controlling, cost element, accounting. All right, so accounting, controlling, cost element, accounting. All right, so the next is master data, cost element. Sorry, master data, cost element, individual, create primary, just to confirm, create primary. Now when asked the controlling area, enter NA00, right? So let me ask NA00. Here is nothing is there. If it is already entered, okay, good. Not, then you need to choose it, NA00. Mostly are dealing with the US branch. Okay, click OK. Now, right, enter cost element 75. Okay, because we already created this one, right? And choose the first month of current month, first of the current month as valid from. Okay, and the cost element NA00 for the control, NA75. This is 75 644 5, which I have already created. It will show up. And this is first of current month. Our current month is April. First of current month as valid from, and cost element is this one, right? 74. I just copy here, Control C, and a 00 controlling area under, right? Controlling area again. All right, okay. Proceed. Okay, then just that's it. Proceed. Say there is no okay, just click hit enter. Okay, okay, enter the next here 644 space 644, right? And next save it. Next is cost limit has been created. All right, so that's so simple, easy, right? Now let's go to the step 5, create vendor. Create vendor here. So create a new vendor. Okay, accounting, financial accounting, account payable, master record, create. So exit, account payable, master record. Be sure that you have chosen the account payable, master record, create, master record, create, master record, create. All right, this is vendor screen, creating a vendor. All right, so that's one thing here. In the following screen, leave vendor plan, because you're creating, okay, you cannot enter in it. So enter US00 caret, account group caret, and 105, vendor number 105. Okay, with the your sign number, company code US00. Right here you can look the screen here, 105 KRED. KRED. Better you search, wait, close it. KRE, search it. Under 105644. So make sure once again 105, yes. Pop up, yeah, you can see here, right? And company US00. Always company code is US00, right? So what's the next here? It's saying here, click OK, click on OK. So data enter, hit enter, right? See how this title now. Create vendor address view, enter cardinal properties. This one, copy this part as name, search term, postal cardinal property as a name, right? You can say enter cardinal property as name, right? Your name is important. Cardinal property just replace with this 644. Search term, this is 644, your number search term 1. This is search term, right? You can say choose this part, and postal code copy. All right, copy postal code here. Okay, then next city, easy job, just copy paste. But remove some spaces, you can remove the spaces, right? Don't add additional spaces. Sometimes it will give you an yellow mark, some warning. Region M, city, country US, region MN under street, country US, region is M and MN, right? The next part is make sure English select language and click OK 3 times. How many times? 3 times. This is very, very important. Some students will enter only one time, they will confuse themselves. What is the next screen, right? Until you see in the create vendor accounting and information account view. Till you find this screen, just hit enter, right? Hit enter properly. So I will enter 3 times. So let's see here. All data is enter, hit enter 1, 2, 3. Accounting information accounting, you see create vendor accounting information accounting, just see accounting information accounting view, right? Perfect. So enter your reconciliation, we have created this one, right? Under the accounting information, then click enter accounting information. Okay, where is it? Here maybe, right? Let me check here. Under the accounting, 1 1, under accounting information, 116445, right? Reconciliation account. This is one here. Something here. 116445. Yes. Click on this part. Because it is already some data is there, just replace it. Then click OK. Then you get payment transaction view. Okay. Hit enter. Payment transaction view. This is payment transaction accounting view. Okay. Then this one, terms 0001, and check, double click invoice. Okay. Then save. Okay. 0001, check, double invoice, select invoice. Okay. This already check, perfect. And 00 is also perfect. Just click save. Yeah, you see the vendor now. Better you copy the vendor. Copy, because you created a new vendor. So we create a copy vendor. I think there's only one data is left for us. So I will create a new slide. It says step something, step 5, isn't it? Vendor. Let me check the step here. What step it is? Yeah, the step 5. I created a vendor. This is my vendor, right? Next time it will ask you the vendor, enter this number 125151. All right. So just close this part and exit from here. The screen is completed. This 5 step is completed. Now let's go to the step. Right, step 6. What is step 6? A post transfer of funds to alternate bank account. Right. All right. So accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. Document entry. Next, the document entry. Enter GL account document. Enter GL account document. Enter GL account document. All right. So this is one thing here. Now you see, and company code is already selected. US00. The company code is not displayed. If it is not displayed somewhere, right? If, for example, if something is showing here is old screen, right? Then you need to do some switch the company code. Use this method, right? Okay. This is important. So, but in our case, the company code is already selected. If not there, then choose here. Go edit, check the document, or somewhere you will find switch system settings, or you can say company code. Click company code. You can change the company code, right? But in our case, mostly it will be the selected, right? So you will change the company code here. From here, I can change the company code, or you can see from here. Go to no edit. Yeah, here you can see here edit switch company code F7, right? So here click this one, then enter US00. If it is, this is not appearing over here. Hope it is very clear. All right, so let's do the task. Right, in the document date field, use F420, select today's date and choose ASD considering. Okay, date is today's date. Okay, this is today's date. Click on this one, click OK, and currency is USD. Perfect. As a reference, enter 3-digit number as document header text. Document header text, transfer of funds, right? So the difference, your number and transfer of funds. Transfer of funds. Let me copy this part. Control C. Right. Reference 644. Document head text. This one. Transfer of funds. All right, so you can see the screen here over here. The first line, enter the, okay, where the first line, okay, the first line, enter bank 10 as GL account, choose debit at DC. Okay, so first line here in the here first line. Here it says here choose 10, is it 1064445? Let me check. As GL account, okay, choose debit as DC. Okay, let me write it here. Search, yes, select, okay, debit, click debit as DC. These two are done, and enter 500 amount in the document currency. 5000, sorry, document currency 5000. That's it. It's asking something else, right? In the second line, bank 100,000 GL account credit. This is credit, okay. So the amount is same 5000 again. This is credit, and this is 100,000. Search, you'll find this account. These are the step 1, 2 you have created, right? Remember those things. So those are already there. There must be, okay. If you have mistake in steps, the beginning steps, it will not appear. This is step 6, right? Right. Then click enter. Okay. You see here your things here, right? Now it will appear here. Everything is updated here. Look here, right? So hit enter. The next, use simulate. What is saying here? Use simulate button to see if the posting are correct. Okay. If you see the posting, it will be like, okay, click back. Okay. Mostly it's safe. It is done, right? If you want to see the posting, simulate. Go to the simulate here. This is simulated over here. Look the same. It is same document as shown here, right? For reference, right? Then go back and accept any warnings which with enter. Click save post or save or post, then it will create a unique GL account number. Okay, it should be this one. Then you can say click on back exit, warning again it will come, so click yes, there will be no letter, this bank is right. Okay, so let's just say go back with any warning, just say okay and say save, then another warning done. Document number, just copy this one. This is your step 6, right? So save this part also, very important, and close this stuff and exit. Again there is no warning. Do you want to exit? Yes, click yes. No data loss, right? That's your step here. Review. Now if you want, you can review, but it's a review step. Basically to make our video short, I simply skip this step, right? Step 7, I don't need anything here, because you see there is just to view the document, what you have done and everything. Okay, what you have done, it will show you there. So I will not execute this step. Create invoice for the renter sum. Now creating invoice, this is more important here. So you are creating something here. Step 8, accounting, financial accounting, account payable, document entry, invoice. So financial accounting, sorry, it is not here. Account payable, right? Here, account payable, document entry, invoice. Right, let me check here. Account payable account invoice. Yeah. Enter vendor number. You see what you have step in 5. You need to have this number here. Sometimes the number it will take automatically. This doesn't take anything, right? So if you forget this one, it's very difficult first. You need to find out how to find out. For example, you forget search term. You should have enter your number 644. Because you enter the system, search it, you will see the vendor number. There are many vendor numbers here, right? So it should be like you should remember the postal code and everything. So basically, let me cancel this part. Let me see more criteria, more functions. Country 644. I know my vendor number. I can 125151. I want to show this one, right? I don't want to enter. I want to just country here. You can say country. It's US, right? It is US 00. Most I will write US here. Our US based. We'll take US city. If you remember the city, right? And postal code. If you remember that postal code is step 65. Enter this one. Let me check here. It will little bit filter it. Okay, the list is a bit short, but you need to. There are many RUS. All are US, right? Now you need to search one by one. You need to enter everything. I'm able to find out and able to fake it. Anyway, I will enter the customer from here. Control Z, Control V. You see, US postal code. This is if you enter this one, definitely it would have given thing because otherwise you go to step 5, send check what is the postal code. If you enter the postal code properly, it will fetch this one. Just select this part. Okay, that's it. That's just very simple shorting. Today's date, invoice date, and 100, 500, 1500 invoice amount invoice. Today's date, USD dollar. That's a dollar, right? All right. Okay. As a mod invoice. If a company code did not default in, select the following menu. If you have company issue again, your company code is not mentioning here. Company code is there here. Okay. Because it's easy. USD 0. We are in perfect, right? If you don't see this one again, you have to go switch. Go to switch edit, switch this one, use the change this one, click and change this. It will ask you the company code US 00. Just enter US 00, it will switch back to this one, right? That's it. Then next here, right? So now you enter the expense 75 and okay, then you enter this one, enter the expense account 75 debit, right? Document 1500 invoice cardinal rent. Okay, so let me this copy. I will copy. This is very big important as a text column. So enter expense account is 75. Okay, first thing is 75. Here this expense account 756445. Select this one expense. You see rent expense, right? The next DC debit. This is already debit amount. I think 1500. Let's confirm once again 1500. Yes, invoice in the text column. In the text column, this text is in text column, right? So we need to find the text column over here. Text. This is not text column. Yeah, this is a text column. Paste. The paste. Look carefully. 644. Right. That's it. So the next is cost center NAHR2. 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 Sorry. cost center. Here the cost center, click on this 644, click this, that's it. Next, then click enter. Okay, all entry done, hit enter. Okay, GL account is relevant to tax check code, it's okay, some warning maybe, no problem. Okay, use simulate. Okay, so to see if the postings are correct, it should be like this, maybe hit enter again. Yeah, I think this we need to enter hit 1 or 2 times and click posting. Okay, maybe hit enter. Yeah, maybe 1 2 times you see until you see this one. All right, that's it, that's your step here. Okay, then save your invoice receipt, right? You can say posting are correct, click OK, back. It's very simple, right? Post, done. I think this is step 8. Posted, posted. Okay, that's it, that's one thing here. Now step 9 is display, and if you want you can see this one. This I will skip this part, right? It's not necessary. 10 also display review. Actually should be done, it has to be done, right? But it's okay for us to save the time. Okay, now this one, post payment, step 11. Now step 11, post payment to landlord. Okay, so here account, financial account payable, document entry, outgoing payment, post. Outgoing payment, post. This one first, you go to this one, exit from here. All right, account. All right, what's the account payable, document entry, outgoing payment, document entry, outgoing, post. All right, enter current date, document date. Let me check the date. It's today's date, right? Bank 10, amount 1500, invoice HR. The text, bank 10, bank. This is the bank 106445. This is 1500 and text 644, right? As a text. Okay, under open item selection, enter account your vendor number. Enter as account your vendor number for the cardial properties and leave other settings unchanged, right? Let me see this one. Open this one. Here open selections here. So here vendor number, he said vendor number. All right, perfect. Okay, and review the line items. Okay, minus minus should be not assigned. Then it should be like not assigned value should be equal to zero. Saying it should be equal to zero. This is not, if it is not equal to zero, if it should be zero. You see, it's not assigned number should be equal to zero. It is given clearly here. When the assignment is been made correctly, not assigned value bottom should be equal to zero. Click save. Right. All right. If it is not equal, just double click here. It will become. Just save it. Document posted. Just here. This is step 11. Right. All right. This is a step 11. Save it. Mac. Exit. All right. The step 12 is display again. It's not necessary at this moment. 13 also display, not necessary. Okay. 14 run financial account. Let run here. Just nothing is there. Just to run. You see something. It's also not necessary. Those basically step 11 is the last step, right? So let's see if you want to run this. This is also not necessary. This, if you want, you can run by yourself. You can see the structure, this structure. Then you can have this data or this data with you, right? So that's it. That's the a small case study here. Finance and accounting. You should be very careful while entering the data properly into the system, ERP system, right? Because all numberings, money related task. Okay. So hope it's very simple and easy. You don't commit any mistakes, right? All right. So good luck, guys.